Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right permissions. If you need admin access, request, or elevate now. Once done, open Command Prompt. Press Start, type CMD, then choose Run as administrator to avoid permission errors. Change into the folder you'll work in with CD and list files with Dyer so you know the current state. These first actions prevent common mistakes and let you run commands without repeating steps. So make sure the prompt shows the target path before moving on. Now you execute the core commands that do the work. For file tasks, use copy, move, and del. Add switches like /y to avoid confirmations and prevent interruptions. For connectivity, run ipconfig, then ping and tracert to troubleshoot paths, and enslookup to validate DNS. These reveal where problems occur. If you repeat steps, script a bat. Use echo to show messages, set to store variables, and pause to inspect output. Together, these commands let you automate routines and diagnose issues efficiently, so proceed methodically. Finish by verifying outcomes. List directories, type files, and use find to search command output so you confirm the intended changes. If you hit access denied, make sure you ran as administrator and check path issues. Use setx or the system settings to persist environment edits. If something goes wrong, restore from backup or inspect logs. Redirect command output to a file and review event viewer entries to find errors. One key tip: if a command fails, rerun with elevated rights and capture output for diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.